The address of your local office. We'll help you help yourself.
I'm Bernard Matthews. All right, then, you tell them.
Well, I make them, and I love them.
All right, boy.
Moist.
Tasty?
Delicious meat, not mince.
The whole family loves them.
My husband gets his share.
What are they? My new crispy crumb turkey steaks. Slices of juicy, tender turkey breast, trimmed with a little pork fat and covered with light, crispy breadcrumbs.
They're beautiful.
New crispy crumb turkey steaks. At around 99 pence for 4, the price is beautiful too.
Next Friday sees the return of Channel 4's popular health series, Well-Being, which asks the question, how fit are the people who govern us?
Eden, British Prime Minister, had severe liver disease. Reagan wears a hearing aid, is short-sighted, and is forced to work reduced hours.
I don't think you can do a job like this unless you're really on top of it.
The fitness of world leaders, past and present, in Well-Being, next Friday at 10:30. Well, back to this Friday evening now at 10:30, and the last in the current series of Budgie, with both friends and enemies longing to see him behind bars.
Marty Webb's new album, Encore, 12 beautiful love songs, including Ben. Marty Webb, Encore, out now.
Do you know me? These guys do. They told me I'm too old to learn this game.
¿Por qué no pruebas en golf?
He says maybe I should take up golf. Well, one thing I learned early on, no matter how well I play in the tournaments around the world, I cannot hand in a better card than this, the American Express card.
Apply for the American Express card today.
The American Express card, don't leave home without it.
The premier event this weekend is the opening of the Premier Collection Showhouse Complex at Dykehead Road, Airdrie, 11 a.m. More space, more style, more features. By Barrett. The Premier Collection. Better by Barrett.
Now listen.
Marty Webb's new album, Encore, 12 beautiful love songs, including
Then the two of us need look no more. I can fly higher than an eagle, 'cause you are the wind beneath my wings.
Encore by Marty Webb, a new album to play again and again. Out now.
The murderer? The one who served the Mother's Pride muffins. A classic case of the butterer did it.
Couldn't you murder a Mother's Pride muffin?
Potter's Walk on a Sunday morning holds few surprises for a keen observer of human nature, like myself. But these are largely creatures of habit. Yet there's something about the Observer reader at number 53 that's fundamentally enigmatic, eclectic, antithetically idiosyncratic even. Know what I mean?
Do something different every Sunday. Read The Observer.
Apparently, some people can't remember the name of the computer that my brother-in-law Rob recommends. Well, here's how to remember it. Computers often make people quite angry. John? See? Computers often make people computers often make people...
Can I show them mine?
Nearly works.
C-O-M-P-A-Q.
What?
C-O-M-P-A-Q.
I prefer mine. Computers often make people...
These Everest replacement windows keep out drafts wherever you live. You only fit double glazing once, so fit the best. Everest.
This Weimaraner, show champion Handsome Misty Blue, has been a best-of-breed winner no fewer than 5 times in less than 3 years. Right from the start, the name that stands for nourishment was there. Nourishment you can see. Firm, solid, good and meaty through and through. Pedigree Chum Nourishment.
Pedigree Chum has a very special place in my kennels. I've got a reputation to keep.
No wonder top breeders recommend it.
Mr. Bird. Sit down, Mr. Bird.